Okay, so I've done my, like, you know, main layer of makeup, whatever you want to call that, base layer, you know, foundation, blush, and all that stuff, and prepped my eyes with the pressed powder.
2 seconds earlier.
I'm putting some pressed powder on my eyelids. Now I'm gonna show you my recent go-to eyeshadow look. So let me get my brushes out here. So I'm gonna use this Wonka Bar palette from SheGlam. By the way, this was like, I don't even know, like $8 maybe, and I use this thing all the time. Look at, like, all the colors are perfect for hazel or green eyes. It's the best. So I'm actually gonna go in with this shade here called Nutty Crunch Surprise, and I'm taking a regular, ooh, there's a hair on it, a regular eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. That's just gonna help absorb some of that oil also, and it kind of just gives a good base color to your lid, which I didn't really realize how important that was, but it is important. Anyway, so I'm gonna try to speed this up here. You just want to make sure they're pretty even, it's a good coat. And like just this color alone, like it's not super brown. It's kind of like a, I don't even know, it's like a cool tone brown or something. Excuse me. Sometimes I'll just wear that color and be good to go, but today I'm being a little extra. So I am going to take that same palette and I'm gonna go in with this color called Dark Chocolate, and I'm just gonna, by the way, this eyeshadow smells like chocolate, which is awesome. Anyway, I'm just gonna take that ever so lightly on that same eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to sort of start dabbing it in the kind of, sorry, my dog was getting into something in the outer corner, sort of. You don't want it too dark just yet, but I just want to kind of get it started and see where we want to go with that. You really can't tell on the camera there, but it'll come together, I promise. Okay, let's see. A smidge more on that side. I'm tapping off the excess as well, by the way, as I go. I think that's good for now. We'll come back in with that, so don't put it up yet. Okay, then I'm going in with this Rare Beauty eyeshadow pencil. This is called Well-Being. It's just, I'll show you. It's this really pretty sort of you really can't even see that very well, but it's like a rose gold shimmery color, and it's super pigmented and really easy to put on. So I just like to go in all over where we didn't put that darker shade. Just literally put this all over your eyelid. I'm sorry I'm using the mirror behind me because the camera just ain't cutting it. But anyway, okay, so I'm just gonna put that here all over. It's pretty good. See how shimmery that is? It's so cute. Okay, so now I go back in with this Wonka palette again, and I'm going back in with that Nutty Crunch Surprise, the first shade that we used, and I'm just gonna take like a fluffy brush, like a blending brush. That was difficult to say, and just go in. Oh no, I forgot, you guys. I'm so terrible about this. Okay, forget what I just said. Don't do that. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Let me just, I'd like to even things out because I accidentally did on that eye, I did on that eye. I'm sorry. Go back in with your regular eyeshadow brush and go back in with that dark chocolate shade, the darker shade that we were using. and then you put more of that on your eyelid, but be a little more frivolous with it this time. Like, just kind of like go to town, you know what I'm saying? Because you want it to contrast with your shimmery shade you just put on. So I'm trying to use this mirror and like look in this mirror and look in the camera. It's really difficult, but you like see how it makes my like hazel eyes pop. It's like it's awesome. It's really, really good. Okay, this has been like my favorite combo, is to do some sort of brownish tone with pink or just whatever. It's just so, it's like chocolate and strawberries, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just good, so good. Okay, yeah, that's looking pretty good. I look like Cruella de Vil with the eyelid. They look like Cruella de Vil, but that's okay, because it's all gonna round out. Anyway, okay, now you can go in with your other brush and use that Nutty Crunch Surprise. Don't get too much, and then just put it in your crease. Okay, that's gonna help blend it out and help just kind of even everything up, round it out, and that sort of thing. I really do think this is a crucial step when doing eyeshadow, because if you don't, it just kind of looks like a puddle up at the top, you know? So it looks so funny when we do our eyes, doesn't it? Because we're like, you know, it's funny. Anyway, okay, I cracked myself up a lot. Don't worry about it. So I'm gonna do my mascara next. I usually use an eyelash curler, but I haven't found the right one yet, and it's been driving me crazy, so I just decided to stop using it. And this mascara doesn't even need it, in my opinion. It's the best. This is a L'Oreal Paradise Big Deal, and it's waterproof because I always wear waterproof mascara. But anyway, because you never know when you're gonna cry or when it's gonna rain, or you just don't know. Anyway, okay, let's see here. So I'm just gonna put this on. I like to, there's kind of a curved side to this brush, and then there's like, you know, just like the regular side. So I usually flip it. I do the curved side first, and then I go back over it with that other side, because I don't put my mascara on probably like other people do. I don't know. My mom does not wear makeup, like, at all. The only thing that she wears is concealer, and I mean, she has amazing skin. She doesn't even need makeup. Technically, nobody needs makeup, okay? Like, it's not to change your beauty, okay? Because everyone's naturally beautiful, okay? But it enhances the features that you love most about yourself, I think. And that's the beauty of makeup, is that you get to kind of play around with it. And like, if you love your nose, make your nose enhanced, you know what I mean? Like, bring it out, like, show it off, if that makes sense. And also, even if you have acne, okay, like, I know a lot of people wear foundation and all that stuff just because they have acne, and I get it. It's like a confidence thing. I feel more confident when I'm wearing makeup. If I have acne or something like that, I feel way more confident when it's all covered up, you know? But acne is a normal part of life. Everyone gets it. Everyone has scarrings. Everyone has scabs. It's okay, you know? Like, if I had a choice, I wouldn't wear makeup every day. But because of my job, I have to wear makeup all the time. But I don't love it. Like, I like doing it, obviously, but some days I'm like, you know what, I really don't even care, and I don't want to wear makeup because I'm okay with my natural self. Like, I should have showed you what it looked like before the foundation, because I'm not afraid to, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's my face. It's normal. I have scars. I have some scabs right here. I got a lot of little pimples on my chin. You can probably tell even with the foundation on, but it's normal, you know? So, but yeah, anyway, I don't know how I got off on that. I really don't, but it's meant to enhance your natural beauty, not hide it, okay? Let me get a little close-up of this. And this concludes the video for this eyeshadow look. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.